Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the real, the official, the authentic, the original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes or imposters. And this is Burgh unboxing number 35, and it's really an unbagging. And I will open this up. And I had something really stupid happen last night. The post office, Amazon sent me an email saying my book was undeliverable because they did not recognize the name or the address. And yet it was told that to Amazon by USPS. They do not recognize the address, the post office downtown, which I thought was absolutely ridiculous. So I called up Amazon and they said they'll redeliver it on Saturday or Monday. There's somebody sorting the mail usually on Saturdays, so they're there to receive mail. But on Mondays, there's someone at the post office, and we'll go over there Monday, and I'll talk to the carrier supervisor so this does not happen again. Well, let's see how I can get this out of here. He folded this over, and he sealed it. So I'm going to open it again. Made sure this sucker wouldn't get down. Alright, this is from Canada. And this comes from Beaconsfield Electronics, and they sell used Macintoshes and used Mac equipment. And it's very popular on eBay. But this is used Mac equipment, and it may not look like much, but this is in a giant static bag. And I will touch something to try to release the static off my hand. Alright, it's a little bit weird. This may not look like much, but this is the Airport Extreme card and the Bluetooth for the Mac Mini. And other than the book, this is the only thing I'm buying this month. I went and bought cat food last night. I'll do the haul video in a little bit. But this will enable me to be able to use wireless and talk to my router, because the Mac Mini, the 2005 Mac Mini, did not have this built into it, sadly. It was an option, which is typical of Apple. And by the way, the reports that Apple, for the time being, if you buy a brand new MacBook, you cannot self-repair it. Well, I fixed it, bought a brand new MacBook, tore it down, put parts in from another MacBook. It works fine for now. It's not official, so Apple's trying to make it so you're forced to go to the Apple store to get repairs and pay a fortune rather than go to an independent repair dealer. And I think that's reprehensible. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there, and I will catch you next time with another video. Bye-bye for now.